you ready for Jamaica, but is Jamaica ready for us? Like,
rock them rockin', cause I depend on me. If I wanted to watch you wearing the house.
Good morning, good morning. We are preparing for Jamaica, so I'm gonna get like some knotless braids, and it's like 7 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you along. It's a new person that I'm getting my hair done by, so I'm not just gonna have the camera like, yeah. Come with me to get my hair done to prepare for my birthday trip. We'll be leaving in the next 30 minutes.
Nigga, somebody project, she gotta love it. From the hood, you can bring me a bitch out the gutter. Yeah.
Does anybody else have like really bad anxiety about going to a new hairstylist? Just me? Okay. Yeah, like over here recording in the fishbowl is nasty work. I slick want to go get Chick-fil-A. Ah! I slick want to go get Chick-fil-A, but the GPS says I'm gonna get there at 9:53, and I feel like that's already pushing it. Y'all think Chick-fil-A can get me through the line in 5 minutes? But we gonna try and stop somewhere closer to our destination, because we don't even play like that when it comes to the hair. You know, hairstylists be having late fees and some more shit. I have no time to play. We should be there in 28 minutes. I'm gonna jam out to my music, and I'm probably not even gonna hit y'all back until after my hair appointment.
Five hours later.
My hair is done. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, and then I'm ready for vacation. This person in front of me keeps driving like a madman. Yes, but she iced my shit. Like, we just need to give it up for the braids one time. Like, is Jamaica ready for us? Like, we're ready for Jamaica, but is Jamaica ready for us? Like, my sister said, let me see. Let me show her my hair. Interesting. First of all, the skin is eating. Okay, so change of plans. It looks like there's like a little bit of wait, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat because I just left out the house today and didn't get anything to eat. Food, I'm thinking I slick want Chick-fil-A, and then I slick want Kava because I gotta pass Kava to get to Chick-fil-A. I don't know. I am not sure. But the last time I had Kava, that shit made me sick as hell. So I am paranoid. I think I might just go get Chick-fil-A. Oh. So we ended up getting Chick-fil-A. I just got some fries, some lemonade, and a sandwich. Okay, first. Creating content, you gotta be brave, because all I can think about is I'm riding around a fishbowl. I need to get my car windows tinted, but I'm riding around a fishbowl, and all I can think about is everyone seeing my little camera on my dash and thinking, what the hell is this girl doing? I'm living out my content creator dreams. Ooh, this road kind of bumpy. 17 hours until we check in, so that's super duper 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 exciting. No, it's good. I just got a few things. I thought I was gonna need more than this, but I pretty much have everything I need for the trip, so I just grabbed a few things.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them mine. Stepping on the street, a young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and made her things. I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and made her think that.
Okay, so I got all my little electronics lined up. Everything is pretty much charged. Yeah, I've charged everything. These two take battery. Okay, so I got the little digital camera. Yes, the picture's gonna eat. Got the instant camera. And I got some film for the camera. I also have my switch. I have my AirPods. I even got the recorded ones just in case they die. I have a MagSafe card, charger. I have my fan because we know it's gonna be hot. So I got me a fan. And yeah, I got this little cute cell phone case for my phone case, and then a new screen protector because my current screen protector is toe up, and some batteries for both those just in case they die. We want to be prepared. This is at 100. I love this because it plugs directly into the wall. So I got my battery pack. I'm all packed up and ready to go. So the next time that I'm gonna get on the cam is when I'm heading to the airport. Look at me like, are you okay?
I wanna feel the girl them bubble man. Feel up to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star bus down. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Big selector up here, you know rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it to a funny man. If you not happy, all I'm in it. Girl a that out, so me glad they come out. Ready feel it, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no ghost. Me a rave and a wait, and the sun figure out. Bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, me my bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble. Alright then, y'all left on head top and spin like it. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one that.
We made it to Jamaica. Yo, I'm 2 rum punches in, and I'm kind of lit. I can't lie. I wouldn't lie. Why would I lie to y'all? We bringing in this birthday lit, but let me give y'all a room tour. So this is where you come in. This is the bathroom. Cute, cute, cute. Nice little, yeah. This is a little closet, so we can put our stuff in. This is the sitting area and then the bed. And then we have another cute mirror. And it's very simple, really cute, really simple. Yeah, really stand up. Like, just know we about to have a time. You irritated?
Where's the other bed?
I don't know. Deja, we gotta head. Look at that. Look at the beach over there. Look, we gotta go. And this sounds like a party's going on without us. My sister is here. She's hot and irritated. The ladies at the front desk were very, never mind. But we're about to get dressed and go see what we're missing outside. So bye. Yo. Yeah, we're gonna go find some food and I'm gonna come back. I indeed never came back to the camera, but I did get some good clips of the trip, so enjoy what I have and thank you for tuning in. To my birthday.
Well, go for us. Yeah, you hear me?
So ladies, sing for me. You see if you're at work.
Yep. Hey. Feaster.
All right, question time, ladies. Question time. So what's your?
Look at my face. I did not want to go home. I did not expect to be crying in the airport. But Jamaica, I will be back. Now let's go home. I want to see you.
Wanna put man me a cock up my room. And me hear some wine and good room. You have to see me on your timeline. Some of them don't know so get it dead like. Me put down, fast me put down. Them put down, fast me put down.
I don't know what she's doing. She wanted to get her cardio in.
Put down, them put down, fast me put down.
Now we about to walk all the way to get our bags. Bullshit.